So what we're going to do is we are going to be modifying our new wish index action method. And to do that, we have to go into our home controller. And you can see basically what I did was I duplicated the current new wish index and I commented the original out. And then I changed the model dot wish one, model dot wish two, model dot wish three to request dot form. And then I am subscripting in with wish one, wish two, and wish three. Now, those are normally name attributes, but if we go look in our new wish index, because we've got this using ASP4 with the model, it's generating the name attribute. And it's going to make that name attribute the same as our property name, which is wish one, wish two, and wish three. So kind of keep that in mind when you're doing this. This does need to be what would normally be your name attribute. In this case, it's our property. Those are the only things I changed here. So it should run seamlessly. I should be able to go into the new wish section and should not notice any differences. And for those of you who noticed in previous video that I didn't have all of my menu items, I do have them now. What I ended up having to do over in my app here is they're in my layout, but they weren't showing up here. So I thought it was pulling from the cache, so I cleared that out, but that wasn't the problem. I ended up having to do a clean solution and a rebuild solution, and then I actually switched over to Firefox, and now I'm seeing them. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the new wish. All right, and we'll submit. And then there is my list. So it should work the same, exact same as it did before. You should not notice any differences. The only thing we've really changed is how it is accessing that data. So we went from a strongly typed model to a more primitive type.